It's July, which normally means sunshine, fun evenings, and spending as much time outside as possible, except it hasn't really looked like that where I live. Instead, it's been rainy, gray, and honestly incredibly dark outside, but sometimes you have to pivot, and that's okay. So I decided to really enjoy the weather and just find ways to make a rainy weekend feel even more fun than they already are. Starting off with honestly one of my favorite activities ever, getting a little sweet treat or getting my favorite treats in general. I personally love going to the local Asian store because they have the most delicious snacks and the most fun drinks to choose from, so that is what I did. Something I particularly enjoy on a rainy day or on colder days in general is going to the bookstore and picking up a new book that I haven't read yet. The bookstore that I went to actually had the manga that I've been meaning to read in stock, so I was incredibly happy about that. And then to top it all off, I had to rush back to the car so that none of my books get wet. The next one is a little boring, but at the same time, in order to fully enjoy myself at home, I feel like I need to clean up my space a little bit, so that is what I do before I can fully relax. Next is something that definitely needs a little bit of planning, but if you know that a rainy weekend is ahead, I would definitely suggest seeing if there is any fun events that you can attend. For me personally, it was the Heated Rivalry record store release day, so that is where me, my sister-in-law, and my husband went, which was so incredibly fun. And even though it rained and even though it was dark and gloomy on the outside, we had such a great time. And if I didn't know it before, I definitely know now that I know just a little too much about Heated Rivalry because I won the trivia and I also won so many fun prizes and I had such a blast, but also it kind of made me think that I might know a little too much. Last but not least, slowing down my night routine and really intentionally being incredibly slow with everything that I do, whether that is journaling, taking a shower, playing video games, or reading a book. More often than not, I catch myself rushing through every aspect of my night routine, and I think that's just part of what my brain really does because I am an incredibly productive person, but slowing down intentionally has really helped make me feel calmer and kind of help my brain be a little more quiet.